I finally got a new front valance from Ashley Hinton, so I'm now back on bodywork and I'm going to fit the front valance, and then I'm going to put it on the front of the car, and I'm going to fit the front wings because I've also got some repair panels for the bottom of the right and left and outside front wings. I'm going to do all of that as one job, and I'm going to start off by cutting off the old valance and cleaning up the front assembly that's left before I fit it onto the front of the car and then fit the valance to it. Okay, I've cut the valance off from the front panel, and you can see that there's quite a bit of corrosion, particularly on the valance strengthener and on the under tray, which makes up part of the radiator shroud. I intend just to repair that bottom section. I'm not going to make up a whole new bottom panel. I just made a piece which I'll just weld on there. I'll book weld it along there, and that should be okay. I now have the panel made and fitted in place, and it's all ready to weld up. So that's what I'm going to do now. That's the new panel all welded in, and look on the other side. It's gone in very well. Now I'll put it on the car and get the front valance lined up. Well, that's the front panel on the car and the valance trial fitted, and I'm very pleased with the way that the repairs that I've done to the bottom of both wings have blended in, and the gaps at the bottom there, they're perfect. I've fitted the grille, and that fits in okay, so all there is to do is to take it all apart and weld the front panel in. Well, after a lot of hard work cleaning off all the rust and old paint, I've finally got the front panel finished and in primer.